Welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In our session today, we are multiplying a proper fraction times a mixed fraction. And if you already see how this is done, let's get started. So today we are going to be multiplying our proper fraction times our mixed fraction. And one of the key things you need to remember that whenever you are multiplying a proper fraction or any fraction as it may stand to a mixed fraction, the one thing that you need to remember is that the first thing you need to do is to first convert your mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So that's the first thing that we're going to do, and we're going to work that out to the side. So we have 2 3/4 that we need to change into our mixed fraction form. I remember that when changing your mix into an improper, you're going to be multiplying the denominator times the whole number and adding their product to our numerator. And this will remain over the same denominator of 4. So we're multiplying 4 times 2, which is equal to 8, and 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So we have 11/4 that we are going to be multiplying to our 5/6. And remember that when multiplying fraction, we multiply numerator times numerator. So we will multiply 5 times 11, which will equal to 55. And we multiply denominator times denominator. So 6 times 4 will equal to 24. And since our answer in this case, which is 55/24, is an improper fraction, I'm going to leave my answer in its simplest form by first converting this fraction back into a mixed fraction. But again, remembering the stage that you may be at, you may not have to divide or perform the division steps. You may be able to look at your numbers right away and be able to convert them back into their fractional form as a mixed number. But just in case I have some persons working along that may not be able to do that, I will go through the steps. So then remember that we are dividing 24 into our numerator 55, and 24 divides into 55 twice. 2 times 24 will give us 48. And when 55 subtracts 48, that will leave us with a difference of 7. Now to convert this information back into your mixed fraction form, remember that our quotient, or the number at the top of our division rule, will be our whole number. This is the number that you will write big. Your remainder, if there is any, will be your numerator. And the number that you divided by, or your divisor, will be your denominator. So that means the denominator will remain the same. So our mixed fraction will be 2 as my whole number, 7 as my numerator, and 24 will remain as my denominator. And again, since 7 and 24 does not have any common factors other than 1, that means that this fraction is in its simplest form, so we are done with multiplying and simplifying our fractions. Okay, so there you have it. We just multiplied a fraction to a mixed number. I remember that a mixed number is always changed to an improper fraction first before we even begin our multiplication. And as always, remember to get some additional practice in. Watch some more, load some more. And as always, remember to get some additional practice in. Watch some more videos that I will load on multiplying fractions. And remember that you have to return back to Joe's Math Tools, because this is where we make math easy.